Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a small haul from Home Depot, some items I wanted to talk about, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, I picked up a couple items from Home Depot. I picked up this bag for my wife, which is Knockout Rose granular plant food or fertilizer. It's made by Job's Organics. My wife has told me that she was using Arizona's Best for several months. She didn't see like any results that were kind of drastic out of that brand. When we started picking up the Jobs and started picking up the Grow Well brands, she's been noticing very drastic results where the plants are in less than 24 hours are standing straight up. You know, there's more flowers, and you know, even for the vegetables, there's more flowers being produced for the vegetable plants. So I grabbed this because one of the most recent trees that we picked up at Lowe's was a knockout rose tree and an intrigue tree. Rose tree. It's called Intrigue. And you guys will probably see that video before this one. I picked this up. This is an 8-pound bag. I picked it up for $9.98 or something like that. So just wanted, and this is this blend is 343, so 3% nitrogen, 4% phosphate, and 3% potash. That's just the three main ingredients in it. I also picked up, and I was actually wearing these already. These are the Performance Milwaukee gloves, and I picked up some markers, some more markers, because I've been using the crap out of the ones I have. So I picked up a 4-pack, you know, one black, one red, one blue, one green, which there's a green one actually on my pants right there. That I normally carry at least one marker with me. And then I picked up some singles. They were 97 cents. So this pack was like $3. The singles were 97 cents a piece. I picked up 4 red singles and 2 blue, because I use the red and the blue the most, and the black the most. And this is the tag for the gloves. There is a feature that I like about these performance gloves that I particularly am actually quite fond of. And instead of the touch screen, option, the swipe option being on the tip of one of the glove's fingers, I like that these gloves are not like that. So in order to use the touch screen, they put a little pad right here, and you use your knuckle for the touch screen. I actually took some pictures while I was at Home Depot, as well as while I was at Lowe's, with these gloves on. So you could tell it doesn't work that way, but swipe works fine. I can open the camera as an example, take photo, push the back button. Everything works. I like that it's on. I like that it's on the knuckle. It's kind of nice. And these are very, very comfortable for me. One thing I don't like about brands and gloves is that, you know, a large, everybody's different. In a large, everybody's different than an extra large. Some Milwaukee gloves I have to wear an extra large. Some Milwaukee gloves I have to buy a large. Some firm grip gloves I actually have to buy a extra large. Some firm grip gloves I have to buy large. Some I have to buy medium. It's just every glove manufacturer is different. The one thing what irritates me like about firm grip as an example is that their large glove, this section right here that you tighten around your wrist, it's this section right here feels like it's an extra large, but the hand section feels like a large. And that's kind of an inconsistency for me. I do have several different styles of firm grips. Most of the leather ones that are leather right here, large fits perfectly fine. Other than the ones that have the knuckle protectors, those I have to wear an extra large because it makes the glove more bulky. This one, it fits pretty well. It's not too loose. I don't normally tighten these very tight either. See, I can actually tighten them a little more. I normally leave them slightly loose for breathing, but these gloves fit pretty well. The only thing I don't like is that I wish the index finger was not this weird shape. I wish it was rounded like the rest of them. But these are nice gloves. I'm supposed to be getting a pair of these in extra large from my international tool order for free. I decided to pick up the large. I might be selling the extra larges because I like how nice these fit in large. I did try the extra large performance gloves on at Home Depot, and the only difference for me was this section on your wrist was actually a lot bigger. My fingers fit in the extra larges the exact same. See my finger? For a majority, my finger's at the tip for all of them. So my hands fit in both the large and the extra large. The only difference is this section right here was a lot puffier. It's a lot bigger, and the wrist is a lot bigger. So I might be selling those. I don't know. I do like these gloves. I wore these gloves a majority of all day yesterday. And they're very comfortable. Even though it's 98.5 degrees outside yesterday. I think yesterday at like 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon it hit like 105 or something. But you know, it's just a little small haul. Let me know if you guys have these gloves. What gloves do you have? Which gloves do you like the most? I have another pair of Milwaukee gloves up here. I use these a lot too. And I like that these are the I don't remember what these are called. Free flex gloves. These are the ones that you can get like I think 2 of them for 14 bucks or whatever. These also have the swipe up here. And I use these around the yard. So these you can actually use the whole glove. So I can swipe to screenshot. So these gloves, you don't necessarily have to just use the knuckle section. They do provide you the knuckle section if you want to use the knuckle section. But you can swipe with your fingers on these. Every single finger. And you can screenshot. Because in order to screenshot, you actually have to slide your whole hand across the screen. So, I do like that these don't have the touch on the inside of the fingers. It's kind of nice. This one, you know, you can use the glove as well. The knuckle section as well. But these will provide a little bit more protection with the leather palm. I'm also looking for the leather demolition gloves. I was looking for a pair for my wife. You know, they had a medium at the store. She said she'll think about it because I wanted to buy them for her because Project Farm, and I'll leave a link up here for Project Farm. He did a video on those on gloves in general. And the amount of cuts that the Milwaukee demolition leather gloves went through before they finally severed is pretty impressive. And I wanted to pick some of those up because my wife's working with roses a lot, you know, and it should protect her from punctures, getting stabbed by the rose thorns and everything else. But, you know, it's just a quick video, guys. Just picked up some more Inksol markers. I have, or Inksol permanent pens, whatever you want to call them. I have some in here. I have some gold. I don't have very many. I actually only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like 7. 7, oh, maybe a little more. 8. So I have 2 black, 2 red, 2 silver, 1 gold, and 1 blue left in the drawer. And then I have these 2 Milwaukee Inksol shake markers. So I was just going to add some more to the drawer. I do appreciate you guys hanging out. If you guys want to know more about the Jobs, you can go over to my wife's channel. I'll leave a card up here as well. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Part number for the gloves is 48730022. If you guys are looking for the durable palm, lightweight design, leather performance gloves. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Thank you to all the subscribers and all the non-subscribers and everybody that watches and the people that use the affiliate links. I do very much appreciate it. It does help out the channel. It is allowing the channel to pay for some of the tools and stuff now. So I do very much appreciate it. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!